Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create Steam guides in 2025. Whether you want to share tips, walkthroughs, or clever strategies, this guide will help you contribute to the gaming community and connect with other players. Let's dive in. First, open your Steam application. This is your hub for everything from your game library to the Steam store and community features like guides. Make sure you're logged in. If not, just enter your account name and password, then click Sign In. Once you're on your homepage, head over to your library and select the game you want to create a guide for. Scroll down to the Guides section. You'll find existing guides here, along with an option to create your own. Click Create Guide to start from scratch. Now, give your guide a title. Make it catchy and descriptive so players instantly know what it's about. Next, pick a branding image. This will visually represent your guide, so choose something eye-catching and relevant. It really helps attract readers. After that, write a brief description. This is your chance to summarize your guide and highlight what makes it valuable. Be clear and informative so readers immediately understand why they should check it out. Next, select the right category for your guide: walkthroughs, strategies, crafting tips, or whatever fits your content best. This makes it easier for other players to find your guide. Don't forget to check the rights and ownership box to ensure your content complies with Steam's rules. Finally, click Save and Continue. That's it. Your guide is now live and ready to help players around the world. Thanks for watching. Experiment with different guide types and see what resonates with your audience. Drop a comment below if you have questions or want to share your experiences. And as always, happy gaming!